Okay, so this is a continuation of playing the 1-4-5 in the relative minor in all 5 ukulele-friendly keys. And Lynn had asked a question about, well, the embellishments, we're doing embellishments, are they the same form in the other keys that we're going to do? And I suspect no. But that gave me the idea to talk about the embellishments that we can do with these 1-4-5s and the relative minors. So in the key of C, we're very familiar with that C embellishment. Let me make sure that we're all muted here. That C embellishment. Hang on. Woo. I'm going to move in. I'm going to get out of my cushy chair so you can see this. There's that C. And I'm pressing it down on the 2nd and the 4th. That's an embellishment on the C. Now we're doing an A minor. We have a couple choices here. Look at this. Watch this finger. I'm turning that A minor into an A9 chord. Now I can also put my baby finger right here, which is a C note. And that is another way of playing an A minor. It's a slightly different voicing. So you see what I can do is now here's our F. We've talked about this embellishment a lot. Watch this finger. And remember, these embellishments have to be easy enough that we can sing at the same time. And then a G7, we can slide. I just tried there, just lifting everything up. Sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. You know, here are the ideas, but you're the arbiter. You have to try it out and see if it's working for you. So now let's look at the chords in the key of D. We've got a D. The way to embellish that is to take that baby finger and lay it down in the 2nd fret. We're turning it into a D6. And if we want to extend that, watch my baby finger. I'm going to bring it over to the 3rd fret. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes that works in a song, sometimes it doesn't. Now, that B minor. I'm really not that familiar what the embellishments are, so this is the process I would go through. I'd start here. Aha! What I'm doing is I'm checking out the notes that are right in the general vicinity. And I went to my baby finger down here. It's not easy to grab. On the 4th fret, and I'm laying it down on that A string in the 4th fret, C sharp. Not easy. So there's one there. Okay, I'm just noodling right in front of you. I'm making the B minor 7, our little cheatsy version of a B minor. And watch what I did. I just released my baby finger. That might work. Let's see. Let's twist again, like we did last summer. See, it doesn't work, but it might work in other songs. That one works. Now the next one is a G. We can slide it. See how I'm noodling? See what notes I can find with my baby finger. Well, that works. It's a stretch. I'm taking my baby finger and I'm putting it in the 5th fret here. So it'd be, let's twist again, like we did last summer. Let's twist again. Well, that's pretty. And, you know, I'm just naked here showing you how I found something that sounded pretty good to me. The A7, well, we're going to talk about this when we're talking about I Got Rhythm. I am just taking that A7 and sliding it one fret towards the sound hole. We have 2 measures to mess with, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So putting that together, let's twist again, like we did last summer. Let's twist again, like we did last year. Do you remember when we were really humming? Let's twist again, twisting time is here. So, yeah, Lynn, those were different forms, weren't they? Oh, if it could only be the other
I
way.
know, right?
Oh, bummer.